Ever felt overwhelmed by the labyrinth of affiliate marketing? Picture this. You're juggling countless affiliate links, each one a breadcrumb in a maze that's growing more complex by the day. Each link represents a potential stream of income, but managing them feels like trying to catch a swarm of bees with a butterfly net. And then, there's the ever-present dread of broken links lurking in the shadows, ready to sabotage your hard-earned conversions. The world of affiliate marketing can feel like a chaotic whirlwind, a jigsaw puzzle with a million tiny pieces and no clear picture. Now imagine if you had to manage multiple affiliate programs as well. Each program is like a different language with its own rules, rates, and rhythms. You're not just a marketer anymore. You're a juggler, a translator, a tightrope walker. It's a high-wire act that requires precision, patience, and a whole lot of perseverance. And let's not forget the constant vigilance required to ensure none of your links are broken. A broken link is like a door that's been slammed shut, a missed opportunity that could have led to a successful conversion. It's the equivalent of tossing your hard work into the wind, watching as it blows away, out of reach and out of sight. All of this may sound daunting, and truth be told, it can be. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to tame the chaos, to turn the labyrinth into a linear path, to transform the whirlwind into a gentle breeze. A tool that could bring order to disorder, clarity to confusion, and strategy to the scattered. Say hello to Lasso, the game-changing WordPress plugin designed to streamline your affiliate marketing operations. With Lasso, you can manage all your affiliate links from one centralized hub, handle multiple affiliate programs with ease, and keep a vigilant eye on your links to ensure they're always in working order. But what if there was a solution that could streamline all your affiliate marketing needs in one place? Well, folks, that's exactly what Lasso is here to do. It's not just a tool, it's your command center, your strategy hub, your secret weapon in the world of affiliate marketing. So are you ready to leave the chaos behind and step into the future of affiliate marketing with Lasso? Welcome to Lasso, your ultimate hub for managing all your affiliate links. Now imagine a world where all your affiliate links are organized neatly in one place. No more jumping between tabs or searching through scattered emails. Lasso brings you that world right on your WordPress dashboard. This game-changing plugin allows you to consolidate all your affiliate links into a single, user-friendly interface. It's like having a personal assistant who meticulously organizes all your links so you don't have to. And the best part, it's all in one convenient location. With Lasso, you no longer need to remember where you've placed each link or which product it corresponds to. Simply add your links into Lasso and it will do the rest. It categorizes and organizes your links, making it easier than ever to manage and monitor your affiliate marketing efforts. But Lasso's benefits go beyond mere organization. It streamlines your entire affiliate marketing process, making it more efficient and productive. By keeping all your links in one place, you can easily track their performance, identify trends, and spot opportunities for improvement. And let's not forget about the user-friendly interface. Lasso's design is sleek and intuitive, making it a joy to use. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or a newbie just dipping your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, you'll find Lasso's interface easy to navigate and understand. But perhaps the most powerful feature of Lasso is its ability to empower you. With all your affiliate links in one place, you're in charge. You can make informed decisions, adjust your strategy, and ultimately increase your revenue. With Lasso, you're in full control of your affiliate links, all in one convenient spot. So why not simplify your affiliate marketing process? Start using Lasso today and discover how it can revolutionize the way you manage your affiliate links. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Managing multiple affiliate programs has never been easier. With Lasso, you are no longer juggling between different platforms and spreadsheets. Instead, imagine having a centralized command center right at your fingertips, one that brings together all your affiliate programs in a cohesive, user-friendly interface. Lasso is not just about organization, it's about taking charge of your affiliate marketing strategy. It's about having a comprehensive overview of your affiliate landscape. With Lasso, you can track your earnings across various programs, monitor the performance of your links, and gauge how well your marketing efforts are paying off. No more guesswork, no more assumptions. With Lasso, you're working with facts, figures, and sound data. But there's more. Lasso is about empowerment. It's about giving you the tools you need to make data-driven decisions. It's about enabling you to identify which programs are performing well and which ones need a little extra push. With Lasso, you're not just reacting to changes in your affiliate landscape, you're anticipating them, understanding them, and leveraging them to your advantage. And did we mention how easy it is to navigate through various affiliate programs with Lasso? The interface is intuitive, the controls are straightforward, and the features are designed with the affiliate marketer in mind. You can switch from one program to another with just a few clicks, compare performances side by side, and adjust your strategy on the fly. It's like having a bird's eye view of your affiliate landscape, one that allows you to spot opportunities, address challenges, and steer your marketing efforts in the right direction. So whether you're managing 2 affiliate programs or 20, Lasso makes it a breeze. It simplifies, streamlines, and enhances your affiliate marketing strategy, turning complexity into clarity, confusion into confidence, and challenges into opportunities. Navigate your affiliate landscape with ease and optimize your marketing efforts with Lasso. Because when it comes to managing multiple affiliate programs, Lasso is your ultimate ally, your indispensable tool, and your ticket to a more efficient, profitable, and successful affiliate marketing journey. Say goodbye to broken links sabotaging your campaigns. That's right. Gone are the days when you would lose out on potential revenue due to links that lead nowhere. Lasso is here to revolutionize the way you manage your affiliate links and ensure that every single one of them is an opportunity for income generation. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how Lasso's advanced link checking functionality works. Imagine having an eagle eye that watches over your links, constantly scanning them for any signs of trouble. That's precisely what Lasso does for you. It diligently checks all your affiliate links, identifying any broken or dead links that could be harming your conversions. But Lasso doesn't stop at merely identifying these problematic links. It takes a proactive approach and fixes them before they can cause any damage. It's like having a dedicated technician on your team working around the clock to ensure your links are always in top-notch condition. This means you no longer have to worry about losing out on potential earnings due to broken links. Instead, you can focus on what you do best, creating engaging content and marketing strategies. Moreover, Lasso's link checking functionality is not just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them. It keeps an eye on your links, alerting you about any potential issues before they turn into full-blown problems. This proactive approach saves you from the hassle of dealing with broken links and the potential damage they can cause to your marketing campaigns. But what truly sets Lasso apart is its commitment to helping you maximize your earning potential. With each link checked and fixed, you're opening up new opportunities for revenue generation. Each link is no longer just a pathway to a product or service, it's a potential source of income that's ready to be tapped into. So let's embrace this new era of affiliate marketing where every link works for you, not against you. With Lasso, every link is an opportunity to generate revenue. Say goodbye to the frustration of broken links and hello to a smoother, more efficient affiliate marketing journey. Unlock your affiliate marketing potential with the power of data. Lasso isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon in the world of affiliate marketing. It provides you with detailed analytics, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Imagine having deep insights into your click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click at your fingertips. This isn't just about data, it's about understanding what works and what doesn't. It's about knowing which links are driving the most revenue and which ones need a little more push. It's about fine-tuning your marketing strategy based on real, tangible evidence. Forget the guesswork. With Lasso, you're in control. Harness the power of data and watch as your affiliate marketing strategy transforms. Each click, each conversion, each earning becomes a stepping stone towards your success. Make informed decisions and maximize your success with Lasso's insightful analytics. Are you ready to revolutionize your affiliate marketing game? let's recap the key features of Lasso, the game-changing WordPress plugin. Lasso is more than just a tool. It's your ultimate command center for managing affiliate links. It consolidates all your links in one place, allowing you to organize and categorize them with ease. It simplifies the management of multiple affiliate programs, giving you a comprehensive overview of your marketing landscape. And it doesn't stop there. Lasso detects and eliminates broken links, ensuring every link is active and ready to generate revenue. It also offers insightful analytics to help you understand which links are driving the most revenue. In short, Lasso empowers you to work smarter, not harder, by making data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategy. So what are you waiting for? Harness the full potential of your affiliate marketing efforts with Lasso. Click the link in the description to get started today.